So guys, today I'm going to be telling you everything about United States Army. So the first server is United States Army. This is the main server, of course. So first you got the beautiful rules. You got a community, media, memes. That's kind of messed up. You got report abuse, bug report, partners, bot comments, content creator, announcements, staff announcements. Kind of hard to read this. Development update, development, applications, server startup / SSU, general 1, general 2, Robert's office, founders offices, Robert's office, houses office, patrol VC, patrol 1, patrol 2, and the second one is US Training Academy. So it's community, training guide, no private announcement, and general. And it's I don't know how to spell that. It's general, no private announcement, memes, general 1, general 2. So there's only three servers, I bet. So meanings, so in community it's like a general chat where you talk like everything, and media it's like pictures and stuff, and in memes it's stuff like funny stuff, like kind of funny stuff. So that's and report abuse is if you find some username stupid guy abusing, you're gonna come here, screenshot it, and report and do stuff. And if you find a bug in game, you're gonna report it, and it's gonna be fun. And partners, you're gonna like invite things. Partners easy. And bot comments, you use bot comments in here. And content creator means videos of this game, or like every videos kinda. And announcement means like announcements like telling people what's up, or like something like that. This is staff announcement, is admin or mod or developer, something like that. And development, like develop, update stuff, development stuff. Applications, when you see pass all the apps. SSU, server startup / game link. And these are the. Let's get into the second one. US Training Academy. So it's a community, still like a private chat. I mean public chat. Training guide, every training stuff. Like it's gonna tell you how to do the trainings. And this is not private announcements. This is general. This is general. This is the US or something. Non-announcement. That's tough. Alright, so that's the 3 servers. And also, as we know, the game is the user of the. It's called Fort Morton US Academy. It's a Fort Morton US. Also, guys, I'm gonna create a new channel about this server. Yes, about should we? Or shouldn't we? Should we? Or should I'm not gonna do that. Like, making a new YouTube channel is gonna be hard. Alright, you have a great day and goodbye.